Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video. Welcome to Handy Tech. Today we're going to be charging my Porsche Taycan with this company, Neogy. It's a popular company in Italy, at least in Verbania. There's quite a few of them around. And they're really easy, self-explanatory, step by step. You don't have to be from Italy to charge your vehicle. I've only had one problem with Neogy, and that was because maybe it was really stormy that day, or that particular charging station was out of commission for that day. But Plenitude, I've had so many problems with them and their app, and they have the fastest charging station around. It's like 110 kilowatts. So be careful with them. With Neogy, they're quite easy. So we're gonna do that right now. So first off, let's take a picture of it. We have to take a picture of this guy right here. Oh, I can't do that. I need to take a picture, don't I? Let's see. There we go. Bam. Okay, I'm going to choose number 1 here. And click Start Charging. Alright, so I'm going to fill out all of this. I'm going to pause it, but for country, just put others before I charge. Before I pause it. Okay, so I'm going to pop. Okay, next. I'm going to go with this one, because I'm about 60%. Continue to pay. Alright, so I'm going to pay. Alright, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so now it's pretty much ready to go. Okay, so now you're going to open up the charger here. You're going to press that, and then you're going to take it out of the, once it starts blinking, you take it out of the thing, and you put it into the car. Okay, and it will start charging. Yep. So just leave this open. Okay. So now I'm going to close this video and sum it up. What I was talking about. So you take it from, not all of the Neogy ones have the cables. Sometimes you have to use your own cable. And this is the fast charging cable. So maybe you need an adapter if you have a Tesla. But they usually offer it. But in any case, if you look inside the vehicle, I don't know if you can see that, but it's green. There we go. It's green, and now you know it's charging. Okay? Now I'm going to go have a coffee. As you can see, you can follow the app. So just after 10 minutes, right? I've spent about €6 and 75 cents. 7.5 kilowatts. So anyway, by the time I finish my coffee and my breakfast, it should be done. So I got about 94%. So when you're about done, you can just click this and pull it out. Back in here. So as you can see here, I need a car wash, but it's been raining so much. But yeah, after just a few minutes, well, say like 20 minutes or so, I was able to get it back to 94%. And they say that you shouldn't charge it to 100 because of battery capacity over time. But we're going to be giving this car back in August or whatever, since it's a lease. So anyway, that's how you charge your vehicle in Italy.